the seed. Ovules after fertilization becomes seed, and there are two types of seeds, dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous. Let us understand the structure of dicotyledonous seed. It consists of a seed coat which is having two layers, testa and tegna, and above helium is a small pore known as micropyle. You can see this helium and micropyle in the diagram. Then inside the seed coat, embryo is present, which is having embryonic axis plus two cotyledons, and these cotyledons are fleshy because they are full of reserved food. Endosperm may or may not be present. Endosperm is formed after double fertilization and is usually responsible for the storage of food. Monocotyledonous seed, as you can see in the diagram, it is an endospermic seed. Seed coat and fruit wall, you can see this is separated by a proteinaceous layer known as aileron layer, and embryo is small. One cotyledon is present. Scutellum is present along with a short axis. Plumule plus radicle is present. This plumule and radicle is enclosed in a sheath known as ciliopatile and ciliorhiza. Semi-technical description of flowers. As whenever we describe a flower, we usually describe by describing its vegetative characters, then its floral characters, and these days then we write down its floral formula. You can see in the diagram a floral diagram and formula is shown. Let us understand the various terminologies of it. BR stands when the flower is bracteate. K stands for the calyx, C for corolla, P for perianth, A stands for androecium, G stands for gynoecium. If there is a line marked like this below G, it means ovary is superior. If a line marked like this above G, it means ovary is inferior. This symbol represents male, this symbol represents female, and combination of these two symbols represent bisexual. This symbol represents actinomorphic flower and this represents zygonomorphic flower. In this chapter, later on, you have to study various vegetative characters of various families like Liliaceae, Fabaceae and Solanaceae. While describing these families, first you will mention their vegetative characters, then their floral characters, floral diagram, their economic importance, and then the floral formula.